Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about headings and paragraph tags in HTML language. So let's open the compiler Sublime Text, and after that here you can see this is a basic structure that is for HTML language. Now we can add here heading tags h1. After that there will be closing tag h1. Now we can copy, and after that here we can paste, and now we can change heading 2. After that heading 3, and in the last we can add here paragraph tag. And now we can add some text here. This is heading 1, and now we can copy this text and add here heading 3. After that heading 4, and then heading 5, heading 6. After that here we can add text. This is a paragraph text. Now let's save and we can execute the program. So let's open the file in Google Chrome. So now here you can see these are 6 types of headings in HTML language. And after that on the bottom this is a paragraph text. So p tag is used for paragraph.